Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto. CalmPay. This innovative service lets you effortlessly spend your digital assets for goods and services, both online and in physical stores. Imagine paying for your morning coffee or a new gadget directly with crypto. It's designed for convenience, offering a smooth transaction experience. Plus, you can often enjoy attractive rewards and exclusive discounts, making your cryptocurrency even more valuable for daily spending. To begin, download the Crypto. Calm app from your app store and complete the necessary identity verification process, which usually takes just a few minutes. Once verified, open the application and locate the Pay section, typically found on the navigation bar. Here, you can easily link the cryptocurrencies you wish to use for payments, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Crow, ensuring your funds are ready for spending. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply choose crypto. CalmPay as your preferred payment method at the merchant's checkout. For online stores, you might scan a QR code or enter a unique payment code displayed on your screen. In physical stores, you'll typically scan a QR code. Review the transaction details carefully, ensuring the amount and currency are correct, then authorize the payment with a quick tap. Using crypto, CalmPay offers several compelling advantages. You'll experience instant transactions, often with significantly lower fees compared to traditional payment methods. A major perk is the opportunity to earn generous rewards, sometimes up to 10% back in CRO, crypto, Calm's native token, on eligible purchases. Additionally, you gain access to exclusive discounts and special promotions from a wide network of participating merchants, enhancing your overall shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.